Hello, good afternoon, namaste. This is Hira Sahai back again with another DLife Diploma course review video. I am a DLife certified metabolic health consultant, also the chief operating officer of DLife. I have with me today my friend and a DLife member who's also now a DLife certified metabolic health consultant, Dr. Noori Ironi, who's a homeopath, who is also practicing past life regression. She's a therapist. So I'll let Noori introduce herself. Noori, welcome and please introduce yourself.
Thank you, Ira. So I'm Dr. Noori Ironi, basically a consulting homeopath and also a regression therapist since last 6, 7 years. I also take up the cognitive brain development training for children, and now I'm a metabolic health coach too, certified from
One,
D Life, of course.
yeah, wonderful to hear that introduction, Noori. And tell me, I mean, I know that I think a lot of people know already that Dr. Gopal Ironi, who's also practicing and a well-known name in homeopathy, based out of Kolhapur, Noori is his wife. Tell us the background, why you decided to come to D-Life because, obviously Gopal was always there, but, tell us your story. Why D-Life?
Yes, Gopal was always there, and I was his big critic, opposing him with this D-Life protocol that he came up with. So during the COVID times, he got introduced to D-Life, and he decided to take up the course. And of course, being his better half or the worst half, then I don't know, because I was into cooking. He had to convince me so much, but I was like, no, 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 this is not the right thing, because my concept was homemade food is healthy food, and I was pretty into it because we were not into hoteling much or eating junk food outside. Even my children are brought up that way. Homemade food, whatever we have to cook, I'll cook it for y'all at home. So we were only visiting hotels or going for outings uh, as a festive occasion on birthdays or sometimes when we were traveling. But then seeing the dramatic change that came into Gopal after following this diet, he was into hypertension. Of course, he didn't go into taking allopathic medications then, because he wanted to try on his own. He, being an experimenter, he was trying all throughout the COVID period when he was diagnosed with hypertension through different protocols, and seeing that, I was like, this is also going to fail. But seeing the results that D-Life gave to him, his hypertension got reversed without, like, he didn't progress into taking into allopathic medications for lifetime. Without any medication, he's having a normal blood pressure. He reduced his weight, and also he started educating the patients who used to come to him. So I used to be with him, and I used to see that, hear that, and seeing that results was what motivated me. And then I was the one who was fighting with him. Why didn't you pull me into this when you did the course? Why am I doing it now? So yes, of course, that is how I came into D Life. And before joining the course, even I experimented it on myself. I lost 10 kgs of weight. I am in like, I'm the one who was not a pro for gym, and now I go to gym on a regular basis, and I see my energy levels being so good in spite of doing the gym on an empty stomach also. I am so energetic. I don't feel a dip in my energy. So that was really
Yeah,
an eye opener for me.
I think Gopal has been very vocal about, about the magic that LCHF is. And now we know
Yes.
the story that he reversed his hypertension. But I think
Yes.
Gopal has always written that I never wanted to be a doctor for cold and cough only. I mean, that is the bulk of patients that
Yes.
that I saw.
Yes.
But
Yes.
now the underlying causes, when we address that, I think the overall metabolic health is impacted. And so I think he was just mentioning to me, a couple of days back that repeat patients are now very low. The rate is
Yes.
very low. So,
Yes.
that's such a good thing that a doctor is so interested in remission that guides his patients on metabolic health, on low carb dietary principles, and as a result, compared to what it was in the past, now repeat patients are completely, I mean, almost gone. So
Yes,
now
yes,
that they have,
definitely.
yeah,
And
yeah.
rather, he was not accepting clients with diabetes or hypertension or hair fall, and he has now taking them up, and which is a
Mm,
big chunk of the population, I think, having this lifestyle diseases, right? So he used
yeah.
to say, my medicines will not help you with the metabolic diseases like hypertension and
Yeah, and
diabetes,
this
and now he's
this
accepting.
misinformation needs to be addressed, because a lot of people, I see a lot of homeopaths say medicines and diet. No, it is only the diet. As Anoop says, the first step is the diet itself, because the primary role of an LCHF intervention is to take people off pills. Of
Yes.
course, there are some pills to be taken, like blood thinners and stuff like that, that you will have to keep taking for life if there's a condition. But the point is, be it homeopathy, be it allopathy, be it anypathy, just LCHF intervention is enough. So you don't even need pills. And as Gopal has very honestly said always, that I cannot give you a reversal of diabetes or a remission of
Yes.
diabetes and hypertension. And I think that's what bugged him the most, that he wanted to reverse these conditions.
Mm.
And there must be some way beyond homeopathy to learn metabolic health. And I think
Yes.
that's what propelled his growth, and that's what gave him more fame as a doctor who takes people off pills. So Noori,
Yes.
tell us, now that you've gone through the course, how did you like the course itself, and what are the USP of the course?
Of course, going through the course, it's really a very, very informative and knowledge-filled course that I went through on nutrition. Rather, when I did my medical course, there was nothing about nutrition that I learned in my entire 5.5 years journey of my medical. Not only 5.5, I also did my post-graduation in homeopathy. So it's 8.5 years journey that I went through in my medical education, and there is no role of nutrition that I learned through my medical journey. And this course is something that offers me such an in-depth understanding that how nutrition can help me take charge of my health, of my physique, of my body, right? Which I didn't learn in my medical field. So yes, there is a lot of knowledge that Anup sir has put in this entire course. And yes, as I'm going through this journey, uh, the help that I get through the course forum, right? That is also
Yeah, I
very
was going to come
commendable.
to
There is so much of
I was going to
in-depth
come to this, Nuri.
jewel
The
there.
course itself and the forum, both. And we have, members from, the initial
Yes, yes,
2020
the
days also in the
mentors.
forum.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
talk about the forum also a bit, because this is a unique feature, and the most powerful thing about the
Yes,
course is
yes,
also the community that Anoop has built over a period of 10 plus years now,
yes,
and which
yes.
is the biggest resource of low carb, knowledge, training, recipes, case studies, all of them. So
Mm.
talk about the, course along with the community, and how do you find the community and the help and the support there?
Yes. So any query that is being put up by any of the trainee, the instant response that they get, the instant help that they get, may it be about medicines, may it be about the diet protocol, or may it be about anything, any queries that are being posted on the group or on the forum, they are instantly helped. And the one who doesn't have the query also, when we go through the forum information that is there, so as I said, it's a jewel that DLife has in the form of forum, wherein you can see all types of cases that have been handled through this DLife protocol, and how the clients have been helped with it. So even when you get a client who is having some issue of the similar type, you can just search on the forum, find the threads, read about it, and enhance your ability to help the clients who come to you. So that is really commendable that DLife has. And another thing, also after the course completion, any query you come up with, there will be no one saying, no, now the course is done and we are not concerned. Like with any other course we do, if you have any doubts when you are handling the clients, there is no way to go and ask or clarify your queries, right? Wherein in D-Life, this is something unique that we get the support even after completing the course. So that is really helpful.
And as I always say, the fee, some people say, the fee is high. There are 2 points. One is generic, courses that do not even teach you loka. Forget,
Yeah.
metabolic health and, disease reversal and all of that.
Yeah.
They charge about 4.5 lakhs for 3 years. So not
Yes,
only
yes.
time wasted, but money wasted, and you are good for nothing because you cannot reverse anything. So we are least priced. And the fee that people pay, imagine there is no course in the world that also gives you such a brilliant and vast community support. Nobody gives you,
Yes,
their
yes,
10 years of
nowhere.
curated
Yeah.
premium data for free, and you hand holds you for life, and only for you to grow as a coach. So D-Life, by virtue of being the biggest low carb platform in the world and by virtue of being India's first low carb platform, has 10 years of curated data in terms of LCHF recipes, in terms of case studies, success stories posted there. You go through those success stories and you will know exactly how each of the cases were handled.
Yes.
So, the money part, when people say fee, it is just a guru dakshina probably that you can, offer to D-Life. You can never pay D-Life back for what it gives you. And
Yes.
Anup has been so generous with, with all his coaches. It's a selfless thing that anybody can do, to give access to everything that you have built with your sweat and blood, for free. So,
Yes,
so is
yes.
the
Of
WhatsApp
course,
community, so is the
the
forum. Yeah.
fees is just peanuts that we are paying for the knowledge that we are getting and the results that we get when we implement that knowledge that we get
Yeah.
from D-Life. So yes, as you said, it can only be as a Guru Dakshina. That also falls less, I suppose, for someone who is bringing in such a tremendous change in the health and nutrition, like this thing on the health and nutrition path, right? So yes,
So
whatever
Nuri,
work he has done is really commendable.
yeah,
Even a medical professional doesn't have that knowledge that he has.
yeah, yeah, and it's so true because D-Life trains mainstream doctors as well. There are about 60 doctors, 58 or 59 to be precise. Don't remember the number. But these doctors are now trained in, and some are undergoing the course right now, but they are trained in low carb nutrition and metabolic health. And each one of them will tell you how they have been able to reverse chronic lifestyle diseases, in their patients. And the practice has increased 3 times, as most of them have said. And, you get so much of this is like, you know, the intention with which you became a doctor to better people's lives, to impact their lives, and get them off sickness, off medicine. I think this is the only way, this is the only reason, this is the only a way forward for even doctors to kind of reverse chronic lifestyle diseases. So now we have 60 of them. So you're right, Nuri. You said even doctors are not trained. Yes, they're not trained in nutrition and definitely not in low carb and metabolic health. So,
Yeah.
Nuri, tell us now, are you practicing after having after getting certified? Are you now taking clients or are you practicing?
Yes, yes, definitely. I have started practicing. As you know, I have just recently completed the course, but then I'm practicing like whatever homeopathic clients I have. And usually for homeopathic clients who come are having chronic diseases. They
Mm.
don't come for acute ailments. Chronic clients or clients who come for chronic complaints, only when they have acute, they come to us because they depend on us for their entire well-being. And having the help of D-Life now, it's helping me train my clients, to educate my clients how they can maintain the results, how they can remain off medicines even without like just by changing the lifestyle or the food habits that they are having, so that they don't have to visit the doctor again and again, because no one likes to visit doctor again and again, right? So it's like empowering your patients, your clients to take charge of their own life so that they don't have to have visits of doctors again and again. So even if I'm a doctor, I have that wish that my patient should remain healthy, right? I don't wish they should keep coming to me on and on again and again, because then that is demotivating that you're not
Correct.
able to help your clients.
Yeah.
So yes.
So, as a doctor, maybe not, but I have seen my, kind of ex-mentees, many of them, even after they have reversed their conditions, just to, I don't know, I have probably you may have also experienced this, just to, have me in their, WhatsApp group or, be able to chat with me and get guidance on, although they know everything. And I've seen so many people come back to me and just last month, three, four of them, and I got a message from one today, that I want to be with you still. Although we have reversed his hypertension, Sohan Pednikar. So
Mhm.
he's a shippy and he's traveling all over the world and he still wants, I want to renew because I want you there. So that's the goodwill and that's the love and the trust that you generate when you do such good
Yes,
work.
yes. That is
Yeah.
like a friendship thing, right?
Yeah.
That happens. You develop a bond, a relationship with them because you have reversed their diseases and they are enjoying their health.
Yeah.
So being in touch that way is always liked by everyone.
Yeah, I know it's such a blessing. Noori, would you want to give out your Twitter ID or email ID or phone number, whatever you want to give out for people to reach out to you in case they want to?
Yeah, so I can give my phone number. Should I
Please
give
do
it
that.
now? Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So 94230 68874 is my phone number.
Mhm.
So you can reach out to me if you need any help on reversing your disease and wanting to take charge of your life.
Yeah, so that's Noori there, who has just given out her phone number and her contact details. You can get in touch with Noori. She's also a homeopath. She's also a practicing past life regression therapist and much more. Very qualified. She's based out of Kolhapur, and now she's shuttling between Mumbai and Kolhapur. So, but we all work online. So, anybody who wants to get in touch with Noori for any of their metabolic health issues, please do that. Noori, one question. Is the fee that you paid for the course justified?
Of course, it's justified. As I said, it's just peanuts that we pay for the course. Because when we did our medical education, we have paid so much, like heavily, and knowing that we cannot reverse diseases, right? And paying to a course wherein you are empowered to reverse diseases of your patients, you are not paying a high amount for that. Rather, it's just peanuts, as I said.
And I think the course fee is recoverable in just 5 to 6 clients. I mean, most people are consulting while they are studying.
Yeah.
That is possible because they are backed by mentors and certified metabolic health consultants who guide them step by step on how to take up a case, how to make a diet protocol, how to tweak, how to, so everything is discussed on the forum. So a lot of people who have enrolled in the course, they have not completed it, are still taking easy clients like obesity or diabetes and stuff like that. So it's a huge community power there, dlife.in. As we always say, if it's Indian low carb, it's dlife.in. But I think we are so global now. We are the number one course in the world. We are the biggest low carb platform in the world. So if it's Indian low carb, it's dlife.in. And if it's low carb nutrition and metabolic health, it's dlife diploma course in the world, the number one. So before we go, a bit of information on the course itself. We have the largest content on low carb nutrition and metabolic health course that anybody else may have. There is nobody in the world except two courses. One is from South Africa, the other is T Life. Um, the other course from South Africa has been approved 65 CPD hours in the world globally. I mean, CPD is valid or recognized in 50 plus countries. So we have dual certification. One is the Indian legal certification, which is NSDC partner, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India. The other is CPDSO UK, which is an overseas certification recognized in 50 plus countries. In the world, there are only two courses in this space. One is D-Life. D-Life has the global biggest 144 CPD hours credit approved to the course. So we are the number one in the world. In India, we are the only course in this space with a legal certification, as I said, NSDC partner. Biggest course content, 1,000 plus references to 50,000 plus words, 100 plus relevant videos in the course itself. There's lifetime access to the course, 6 months additional access to the forum from the start of internship. And usually people have access, everybody has access to the D-Life forum, which I said is a complimentary access for people not enrolled into the course. It's a subscription based access, but Anup has given all of them, all of that complimentary so that his coaches and consultants can grow. So usually everybody has access to forum, WhatsApp community, recipes, everything for life. We remove people who violate TOS or stand against the brand and the team. So it's a complimentary access, not part of the course, given out of goodwill. There is no recertification clause. Once you're certified, you're certified. And I always say we don't do hafta vasuli of of a certification. We don't ask you to renew it every 2 years. And seeing us, one of the leading other courses, I won't take the name, has now changed its policy. Now they are not asking people to get recertified every 2 years. So big shift there. No harm in learning better practices. So we are also India's only CPDSO UK accredited course in this space. We have the biggest 144 CPDRs, as I said. We are also India's only the SMHP approved CMHE provider. Course gives free access to D-Life Forum, which I said, is 10 years, 10 plus years of curated LCHF data. And that is subscription based for people outside the course, but it's given free, complimentary, out of goodwill by Anup to all course enrollees. There are 2,000 plus original low carb keto recipes, vegetarian, non-vegetarian. So right from the day you enter the course, you have every access to every possible low carb resource in the world that no other course will give you. And besides that, we have the one of the biggest libraries of low carb resource material. We also have a 24/7 WhatsApp community of practitioners, of which Noori and I and Gopal and everybody is a part of. We have a lot of fun discussion. It's like a huge, huge family. So I think I have had a lot of fun removing people from the WhatsApp community, the selfish ones who always are out only for themselves. So sorry, but we don't have a place for you. We are a very close-knit family. We share the common values. We share the common goals. We don't make a distinction between, doctors and non-doctors. We have promoted doctors like anything in the Metabolic Health Conference. In fact, I remember we got in Gopal because in the Metabolic Health Conference, we never had a session on homeopathy and metabolic health. But we got that session in, and Gopal is now quite well known. He was hosted by Naeem, another homeopathic practitioner. Now, to be standing on that global stage, you have to have a sense of shared, goal, empathy for your team members, having their back. So people who have been removed, good riddance and all the best to them. But D-Life is a blessing and everybody, I mean, the power of the community, Noori, shared that very well. And we have so many doctors who are blossoming and the world knows them. And non-doctors who are practicing, as metabolic health consultant, we will take care that wherever we can, we will have them on a global stage. That's how selflessly we work, and we appreciate a team that's equally selfless and standing with the team. So very happy to have you in the team, Noori. You have
Yeah, thank you.
brought a lot of things on the table with your perspective in terms of homeopathy, in terms of past life regression therapies. So much knowledge there. And I hope people reach out to you, and I wish you loads of success and
Thank
loads of,
you.
a roaring practice. Please go and follow Noori, get in touch with her. She's a, damn good metabolic health consultant. And I'm sure she will help you reverse all your metabolic. And Gopal, of course, is there. So they are a team. Husband, wife are a team, homeopathy, past life regression, and so many things. I mean, metabolic health consultant. So just seek her out. Anything else that you want to say, Noori, before we say goodbye?
Just one message I would like to give out. Come, learn, explore, experiment, and make D life a part of your life.
Yeah.
So I urge all the medical professionals as well as non-medical, as well as non-medicos who are interested in taking charge of their life, of their health. You can come explore, rather experiment, do it and see how it helps, and then you can adopt it definitely. And I
Yeah. So if
challenge you, there you will not fail in at all in that.
just to add a bit of number there, there are about, if I'm not mistaken, almost about 30 plus certified sports nutritionist, human performance nutritionist, certified dietitians, nutritionists who wasted lakhs, who wasted years studying, high carb, same high carb nonsense that didn't give
Yeah.
outcomes. So it's a community where you will find doctors. Mainstream doctors would not enroll into just any nutrition course. It is low carb is a medical intervention through TCR, therapeutic carbohydrate reduction. I think I read this somewhere, either Dr. Ken Berry or Dr. David Unwin had tweeted about it. It's a medical intervention because that's what medicos are supposed to do.
Hmm.
And modern medicine has failed as far as chronic lifestyle disease reversal is concerned. So it is a medical intervention through low carb dietary intervention, TCR. So this is as good and as big as it can get when you talk about low carb and reversing metabolic health conditions. So not only do you get off pills, you take people off pills, but you get a flying career. You can make a flying career not only in India as a legally certified metabolic health consultant, but also overseas and internationally. For example, I practice in 18 countries. I mean, I have mentees enrolled from 18 countries. So that's how big and how glorious it can get. A lot of respect, a lot of time freedom, money freedom, and location freedom. So I think if coming from a doctor, it makes a lot of sense. Thank you, Noori, for coming
Thank
and speaking with me, and you've given a great insight into the course, into the community, and into the perspective from homeopathy and so many other streams that you qualify and expertise in. So this is Ira Sahai signing off. I'll be back again with another D-Life Diploma course review video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
thank you, Ira. Bye bye.
Thanks.